here's how you're going to use Telegram. So you're going to open up the app, and any channels that you get added to are going to show up here. The more calls that you show up to, the more links you're going to get with the more tools and resources that you'll have to build your business. So what you're going to do is, I really like this group, the Diamond Squad Elite. And you're going to scroll through here and you're going to find some story slides that you want to be able to add. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and do this cleanse one. So I'm going to click here, and you can see all of the photos down here at the bottom as I kind of flip through them. And from here, I'm going to click the arrow button, and I'm going to do all 5 photos, and I want to go ahead and add them to my camera roll. Then what I'm going to do, and this is content that people have already created for you and you can use it, so it makes it really simple. I'm going to open up my Instagram, and I'm going to select the plus sign here at the top, and I'm going to do add to stories. Now my Instagram and Facebook are connected. If you don't, I recommend connecting them. That way they can show up on both for just doing the work one time. And I'm going to click my little photo album here at the bottom. I'm going to select multiple photos, and I just want to make sure that they go in order. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one first, and then I'm going to have this one with a before and after picture, then some words and a before and after picture, and I'm going to end with this one right here. So I just go ahead and click next, and you'll see that they all pop up just like that. And from here, you can go ahead and you can add some extra embellishments if you want to. So if you click this little sticker button, you could add some music. You could do this little gauge here that people could, slide up and down. You could do a GIF and just do like wow or awesome or something like that, and see what pops up just for fun. Maybe I put this right here. If I change my mind and I don't want that, I can go ahead and move it to the trash. And then on this last screen, I always like to do a call to action. So like a poll or swipe up. Maybe I'm going to put a question in there, and I'm going to say type cleanse for more info. And that way, I'm giving them a call to action. I can just slide it right in here if they're interested, or it says DM Clems for review spot. Okay, so once I have it all set up, I'm going to go ahead and click the next button. I'm going to share it to my Facebook story as well. So then just click share, and it's going to go on both, and then just done.